In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add SIM pin on iPhone. You can simply lock your SIM card in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, select the mobile data option right here. You will see the SIM pin option. Tap on it, enable this button on. You will have to enter any preferred pin of your own choice to lock your SIM card. By locking your SIM card, you will be required to enter a PIN to access your SIM card's messages, contacts, and more. Make sure to keep your SIM PIN secure to avoid losing your SIM card data. That's how easy it is to enable SIM card lock PIN on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.